Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to list all the documents using the Appwrite. Let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So here we have the code. So this is the old one that you have to initialize the client, set the endpoint, set the project. Then you have to initialize the database. Okay, so already we have the code, right? Previously we have created the document. So now here you can see the initialize the database services. Now create a document. Now we are going to make a list all the documents which require. So let's copy this function and update this one. Okay, so let's comment this code, right? And let's add our code over there. We require the database id, so here we're going to put our database id. So here we have the database id and the collection id. Okay, so let's scroll down. Here we have the collection id. Okay, we have two documents that we have created in the last video. Okay, so let's hit run and let's see what will happen. Here you can see that we have two documents, that is helmet and the helmet 22. And if I go over there in my collections, go back, and here we have the collections. Okay, here you can see that we have a two documents. Okay, so here you can see we have two documents with helmet 22 and helmet. Okay, that we already fetch. Okay, so this is how you can fetch that one. Okay, just you have to mention list documents and it will list all the documents that we have in the collection. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.